Imagine a tiny sea turtle, no bigger than your hand, hatching on a sandy beach. It has never seen the ocean, yet it instinctively knows to scramble towards the waves, dodging predators and obstacles. This isn't a learned behavior. It's a powerful, ancient script written into its DNA. For the next few minutes, let's dive into the incredible world of animal survival instincts, exploring the science that allows creatures, big and small, to navigate a world filled with danger from the moment they are born. At the very core of these instincts lies genetics. Over millions of years, evolution has acted as a meticulous editor of the animal kingdom's genetic code. Behaviors that increased an individual's chances of surviving and reproducing were passed down from one generation to the next. Think of the opossum's famous playing dead act. This isn't a conscious decision. It's an involuntary physiological response called tonic immobility. When faced with a terrifying predator, its body goes limp, its breathing slows, and it emits a foul odor, mimicking a dead and unappetizing carcass. Predators, often preferring a live chase, lose interest and move on. The opossums that possessed the genes for this convincing performance were more likely to survive and pass those very genes to their offspring. This process of natural selection has hardwired this dramatic, life-saving behavior into the species. This genetic programming is managed by the brain, specifically in its most primitive regions like the brainstem and the amygdala. These areas control fundamental, involuntary functions. The fight-or-flight response is a classic example. When an animal perceives a threat, the amygdala sounds the alarm, triggering a cascade of hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. This hormonal surge prepares the body for immediate, decisive action. The heart rate increases, sending more oxygen to the muscles. The senses sharpen, making the animal hyper-aware of its surroundings. It doesn't stop to analyze the situation. It reacts instantly. A deer doesn't pause to consider whether the snapping twig is a wolf or just the wind. It bolts first and asks questions later. This split-second reaction, driven by an ancient neural circuit, is often the difference between life and death. Instincts also manifest in more complex, long-term behaviors, such as migration. The Arctic tern undertakes a staggering journey, flying from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back again each year, chasing the summer sun. How does it navigate this 44,000-mile round trip? Scientists believe these birds possess an internal map and compass system. They can sense the Earth's magnetic field, using it like a global positioning system. They also use the position of the sun, the stars, and even polarized light to orient themselves. This complex navigational ability isn't taught by their parents. It's an innate, inherited skill set. Similarly, monarch butterflies, generations removed from their ancestors who made the same trip, instinctively fly thousands of miles to a specific forest in Mexico they have never seen before. A testament to the power of genetic memory. From the spider that spins a perfect web without a single lesson to the beaver that builds an intricate dam to protect its lodge. The animal kingdom is a gallery of instinctive genius. These behaviors are not choices, but biological imperatives, sculpted by eons of evolution to solve the fundamental challenges of survival, finding food, avoiding predators, and ensuring the next generation. It's a reminder that beneath the fur, feathers, and scales, there operates a profound and ancient wisdom, a silent intelligence that has allowed life to thrive in every corner of our planet. These are not just fascinating animal quirks. They are a masterclass in survival, perfected long before we ever walked the earth.